Today we're unboxing what is, in my opinion, two of the coolest looking pieces of tech I've gotten my hands on in 2023. They're from a company called GravaStar and they sent over their Alpha65, which is a 65-watt GAN fast charger, and the Supernova, which is a Bluetooth speaker. Photos pa lang sa box, para silang art toys, so I'm super excited to see what they look like. So simulan natin sa Alpha65. So again, just to recap, the Alpha65 is a 65-watt charger. Meron siyang dalawang USB-C at saka one USB-A port. It's made for laptops, tablets, phones, and more. And meron siyang power delivery 3.0 fast charging. Alright, so let's open this up and see what it looks like. So out of the box, may kasama siyang mga decals. So kung nagbe-build kayo ng gun pala, very similar. I doubt that these are yung water transfer, but nice way to decorate this little charger. And oh my gosh, ang cute niya. Ang galing! Tapos yan, makita nyo sa top, dalawang USB-C port at saka isang USB-A port. Plug natin mamaya to see kung umiilaw yung mga mata nito. Look at that, it's so cute. Grabe. So Grava 65-watt GAN charger. Look at that thing. I mean, tapos ito yung may wall socket niya naka-embed dun sa body. Okay guys, confirmed. Umiilaw ang mata ni Alpha65, giving it plus 10 cute points. We'll see what the folks over downstairs sa Unbox GH has to say, but I really like this 65-watt Alpha65 65-watt fast GAN charger. Cute! So next up, we have the Supernova, and this is a Bluetooth speaker. Just a little recap for you guys. And my theme si GravaStar dito, mukha na naman siyang mecha or robot. So excited to see what this also looks like. Mas malaki yung packaging. Very well packed. As you can see, very thick styrofoam to keep the device safe. And oh my gosh, astig to, grabe. Look at that thing. Wait, baba natin yung box para less distraction sa table. Grabe, Bluetooth speaker to. Astig. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Grabe. Mukha talaga siyang art toy. So may kasama siya, of course, charger. I guess this is for whatever this is, which we will find out later on. Dito to ina-attach. So pwede bang isabot to? Para mukha siyang camping light. So of course, and you also have like 3.5mm jacks male to male in case you want to plug it into your phone. But Bluetooth speaker naman siya, so why do that? Yan, it looks so cool. Teka, paano ba binubuksan to? On! Ito ba? Ayun. Kasi tingnan mo, may power button naman eh. Sana may factory charge. Oh! So yan, nagpakita siya agad dun sa Bluetooth settings ko. GravaStar Supernova. So, Bluetooth connected. Alam na, pag gano'n yung boses, alam na kung saan galing yung ano to. So, RGB siya. So, plus 1000 FPS. And then yung legs niya rin may RGB. Sobrang astig ito pag naka-display sa desk ninyo. Alam mo yun, astig lang talaga siya. Tabi mo sa Gundam, mga gunplan nyo, mukha siyang kaaway niya. So, but anyway, maghanap tayo ng royalty-free music para hindi tayo pagalitan ng YouTube. Not bad ang tunog, Of course, hindi siya parang buong-buo kasi isa lang yung speaker. Alright, so based on the initial test, definitely a lot of bass with the GravaStar Supernova. I think it's to be expected with speakers like this. It's something similar or what we experience with pretty much the same setup. Pero ang nagdadala taga dito is yung look niya. Sobrang astig tignan. This is like, again, an art toy that you can place on your desk. But anyway, I want to hear what the people at Unbox Green Hills have to say about the Supernova and this cute little charger that is the Alpha65. So baba tayo and get their opinion.
Mukha siyang item sa red alert. Yung parang nuclear something sa red alert na kailangan mong bilhin.
Mukha siyang crab. Oh, crab. Kasi parang yung paa niya, ano ba tawag doon? Gliders.
Ano yan? I think ano yan? Power bank?
Bluetooth speaker yan.
Oh, ganda ng bass. Isa pa. Ito yung pinapakinggan ko.
Yung high niya mataas, yung low mababa.
Feeling ko nga.
Yung mid nasa gitna lang.
What do you think this is and this one?
Okay, this looks like a space critter. Alam mo? Bolang kristal. Joke. Oh, but this one, I'm seeing USB Type-C. USB port. Pero if that's what it is? Wait! Oh my God! Oh, wow! I want this.
Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video starring the GravaStar gear. Again, this is the Supernova. Tapos ito, ang cute little thing na to, si Alpha65. 65-watt fast charger na may GAN technology at Bluetooth speaker na mukha daw crab, sabi ni Carla. Pero sobrang astig niya. Again, I don't have the prices on top of my head, but I will leave links down below if you're interested to get one of these. Again, links down below. Hindi siya affiliate link, so gawin nating affiliate link. Hindi ko alam. Basta, links down below kung interested kayo makuha tong dalawang to. Sobrang cute niya. Again, two of the nicest looking pieces of tech that I've had my hands on in 2023 so far.